Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have DAX here, the song called Catch the Rain. So DAX has been here before on this channel, I believe to be a man or so, something like that. This one title, this one Catch the Rain. We have 4 chords here that goes in the same way from the beginning till the very end. 4 chords, let's take a look at these. So we'll look at the D minor first. That will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have the next bar chord here, the F. That's a bar placed on the first fret over all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then the final chord will be the A sharp sus chord here, and that is a bar chord as well, placed on the first fret. Again, this bar, you don't need to bar the last E here in the bass for this chord, so just 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add third on D and third on G. Alright, so it will be in that chord progression. As we mentioned, the chord, the D minor, F, C, and A sharp, okay? So we're gonna look at the strumming pattern, and we'll illustrate that with the D minor, since that is the first chord. And one strumming around will sound like this. Okay, so that is first, down, down, up. That will be the part 1, because we need to divide this one later. So down, down, up. Then comes clap down. And that's it. So down, down, up, clap down. A couple rounds to get the feeling for it. Sounds. So on. Alright, so we'll start with the D minor. You're gonna play one full string around of this one, plus part 1. So that will be down, down, up, clap, down, 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 up. So. And then comes the next chord, F. It would just land on this one and play 1 down with a pause. Alright. You could go with that, but you can also play the part 1. Then you have no pauses there, and it will be like this. But I would suggest you play just a down here, and that will be more accurate if you compare that to the song. But if you want to have the sound going on there, then you play part 1 instead of just 1 down. I would play 1 down there for F, and then we move on here with the next 2 chords, the C and the A sharp. You're gonna play 1 string around for C and 1 string around for A sharp, and that's it. So D minor 1 plus part 1, then F 1 down, and then C1 and A sharp 1. So like this. And in standard tempo, something like this. Showed you both versions there with the F, and that's it from the beginning to the very end there with the song called Catch the Rain from DAX. So thank you for listening and watching. Till next time, play tuned.